Now we start the second questions. Second question still about the handshake problem, but what if there is n persons? So meaning can be any numbers, can be 6, 10 or 20 or 40 or 100% in there. Definitely we cannot do in such a way manual calculation like this. There should be formula to calculate this. Okay, so for this one, most of you, same also like number 1, most of you can answer this quiz number 2 correctly. I believe you already done your research. So most of you said the formula will be n times n minus 1 over 2. So this is the formula to count how many number of handshake happens if there is n persons in there. So n times n minus 1 over 2. But I didn't see any of you answer with number of handshake, numbers of handshake with n persons in them. So the general formula is actually combination n2. So no one put this combination n2, but the fact for you that combination n2 is actually the same as it is. How is it possible? Because if we expand combination n2, remember the formula for combination nr is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial and times with r factorial. So we can expand this combination n2 become what? N factorial divide n minus 2 factorial times with 2 factorial. So if we expand this, n factorial, remember the n factorial formula is calculate with n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on until times 3, times 2, times 1. We already have this one, yeah? You check our previous video. So the same things that we can do in here. So since the top here is bigger number compared to the one down here n minus 2, so we have to expand the top one. Okay, so we expand the top one, we will have let me put it down a little bit. So we will have n minus 1, n minus 2, stop, factorial. I will not continue until the same like this 3 to 1, because I have on the bottom is the same factor n minus 2 factorial. So I will keep it until n factorial over here, and then the 2 factorial is equal to 2. Now with mathematic manipulation, I can cross this n minus 2 factorial with n minus 2 factorial at the bottom. So with this I will left with n minus 1 over 2, which is exactly the same as the one that most of you answered, n minus 1 over 2, same like this one. Okay, so either way you can say that the factor, if there is n persons and to handshake each other, the total number of handshake happen, you can write down as n minus 1 over 2, or also you can say it as combination n2. Okay, that's for number 2.